I had to pick one thing to help with foot health and prevent foot pain, it would be Achilles tendon stretches, and specifically eccentric loading Achilles tendon stretches. So that helps with calf muscle strength as well. And how you do that is you put half your foot on the edge of a stair and half your foot off, like the ball of your foot on the edge of the stair. Drop your heel down below the stair, hold it for about a second, and then go up in your tippy toes, hold it for about a second, and go back and forth. So I'd recommend a set of 10 once a day. The tight heel cord is the culprit of many, many foot problems. So with a tight heel cord, your ankle joint does not come up far enough, and so it's pushing down a lot, and the foot has to compensate for that lack of motion, and it causes a lot of problems. In addition to that, it can cause Achilles tendonitis or plantar fasciitis. Those stretches and eccentric loading of your Achilles tendon, it'll help prevent that, and it'll get your Achilles tendon strong, get your calf muscles strong, and help prevent that weekend warrior type injury of Achilles tendon tear. Follow me for more foot tips, and here's your best foot forward.